Okay guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am Key. This is Kei's Playing Life. So really quick, because I am tired, I just came back from taking care of some business and I want to get out these clothes and put on some lounge around the house clothes. But I said, let me get this video out because I did promise you a travel haul video. Just showing you what we'll be taking on our cruise when we go. So without further ado, you'll either see this video right before we're getting ready to go on our cruise or right after we get on our cruise, and it'll probably be after we come back from our cruise. So if you're seeing this, we've already been on our cruise. So I am going to show you a couple of things that we bought that we thought we would need. So the first one, deodorant. Now this did come in a pack of 4. He only needs 1, but it came in a pack of 4. So because even though we have deodorant in the house, I don't want to take anything that we already have at the house if we don't have to. So I was like, let's just get new stuff and we'll take that on the trip. The second thing that I'll be taking is, we got some waterproof phone cases. These are really big. I wasn't expecting them to be this massive, but they are huge. This is what we will be tagging along. I'll probably have my fanny pack. My husband will probably have this, but this is what we'll be tagging along during the trip. Like, because I just don't have time to carry a purse per se. So either a fanny pack or this will be in tow. And then we got towels because we already have towels, and I'm pretty sure they're going to give you towels on the cruise. But I thought about it. You know how many people go on cruises and how many times they had to wash those towels and how many body parts have been on those towels? I prefer just to bring my own towels, call it a day. So this is a pack of 8 and they feel really good. The next thing we got are these these disposable toothbrushes. It already has the toothpaste and everything on it. It did come in a pack, if I'm not mistaken, a pack of 24. We're only going to be on the cruise for 5 days, so this is perfect. We got motion sickness patches. We got a charger. Just for, I don't know how many plugs they're going to have in there, but I just want to be on the safe side. So I did get, I did buy a charger thing, so we would be okay. I'm really just trying to cover all the bases and make sure that we have everything we need on this boat, because we're going to be on this boat for 5 long days, and I don't want to be sitting up here and we don't have stuff that is crucial to being able to make it on this boat. So yes, I probably went a little excessive, but I don't care. And then I got these silicone covers for the like lotions and hair products that we might bring on the trip. So I did get a pack of those. And I got poopery because although we're coming from a house where we have 2.5 baths to being on a boat for 1 day. I mean, been on a boat for 5 days, and I don't know if they have public restrooms because this is both our first time going on a cruise. But we have a restroom in our bathroom, and we're sharing a bathroom, and both of us are going to need this. I just thought that was something that we should have on the boat. So, I mean, like I said, you guys might think that's a little weird, a little too over the top with it. I don't care. I'd rather be overly prepared than not prepared at all. So the next thing I got was these tags, and I want to take them out and show you real quick, but I don't want to lose anything. They're just tags for our luggage, and it comes with the little strap things to apply to your luggage. So I thought that was really needed, so I did purchase those. I got, this is a moisturizing cream. I got this because I was like, I don't want to pack my moisturizing cream on there, so I'll just pick up some that if I lose it, it doesn't matter. Because my moisturizing cream is $129. We're not packing it. And then I got this traveling cube set. It comes with, I think, a pack of 8. And you can put like makeup, your clothes, hair products, shoes. It's to keep it really organized. So I'll show you a picture of it right here so you can really see it. But that was the main reason of getting this, to stay organized. And then I saw Platinum D with this. She said you would definitely need one of these. It makes so you won't have to keep going in your luggage for your clothes. This makes it easier to be able to gain access to your clothes, because you can just roll them up and put them in here. So that is why I got this. And let's see what else we got. Hold on, guys. The next couple of things that I got for the boat, I got my husband some swim shoes, because we do plan on being on the beach. So I was like, we are going to need some shoes, some little swim shoes. So I thought these were perfect. I'm not so much worried about the shower, because I am gonna bring like a little small bottle of Lysol. So I am gonna spray everything down and wipe everything down. So I'm not so much worried about that. So, and I got me these. They are really cute. These are swim shoes as well. I don't know what's in here. Hold on. Okay, so Platinum D said we needed liquid IV. So I got some liquid IV, and I got it in the lemon lime flavor. And I thought I had another flavor, but I guess I did. And it has, if I'm not mistaken, it has 16 of those in here. Like I said, we're only on the boat for 5 days. So 16 should be really good for us. And we don't plan on doing a lot of drinking or anything while we're on the boat. I also bought a fan. And Platinum D also, oops, I hope I ain't breaking. She also recommended this fan as well. So I did purchase this fan. It comes with a charger. Everybody that I've seen do reviews on it says it's really, really good. And it blows really, really good. So I put that back in the box. And it does come with a little thing you can, this might, yeah, I think this goes with this. I don't know. I think so. I think it goes with this. And then this is the charger that came with it. So I'm going to stick that, I ain't going to put it all the way in, but I'm going to stick it to where I can find it. And then because we're not trying to be ashy, we got some Coco Palmer's lotion, little trial size bottles of lotion. I don't really wear lotion, so I think I'll be fine, because I hate wearing lotion. I'm more of an oil girl, so I think we'll be fine on that. I think that's just the right amount. My husband is the one that really wears lotion, and I don't think he's going to put on too much during the summertime, because I heard Mexico's heat, it's really hot. I forgot to put the liquid IV back in there. I put it in the other box. And then we got BC powder, because you don't know what might happen on the boat. I got myself some deodorant. This is the only type of deodorant I can use. It has to be clinical, because I sweat like a boy. I have a bed bug treatment. I will be treating our bed before I'll get in it. I got a night light, and I'm gonna tell you why I got a night light. 1, because I'm scared of the dark. But 2, I don't know how dark it's gonna be in those rooms. And if you're in an unfamiliar place, so if you're getting up, even though we have a balcony view, so we can easily open the blinds or whatever, but I don't know if that's gonna be too bright. And you're in an unfamiliar place, so you want to be able to see where you're going. So I just figured putting one of these in the bathroom, putting one of these in the bedroom would do us just fine. I got my husband beard oil. So, and then I got these perfume atomizers, because we're not going to be taking our big bottles of perfume with us, but we will use these to store them in there. I may have to order another one of these, because I'll probably use 4 of these, and my husband's going to need 4. So I'll probably order 4 more of these, just so we can have. So I need to make a self-reminder. Also, I'm not going to be really wearing makeup on this trip, because it's going to be hot. But when I do want to have a primer on. So I will be using this primer. That's one of my favorite go-to primers. And then I have a pill case. Let me open it for you. I have all this stuff in my hand. Hold on. It's a place to store your pills because I do not plan on taking big old pill bottles with me. So I was like, I could put all my medication in these little things right here, and I'll just write on them so I'll know what each one is. But that's how we're going to store our medicine. And then I have Alka-Seltzer Hangover. I think this will help with your stomach and everything. So I think this is perfect, and it is a orange flavor. I got emergency vitamin C because we are going to be around people on this boat, and I want to make sure we stay as healthy as possible. I got some magnetic hooks to hang our like dresses and stuff on. We can hang them on there. I got, like I said, I love oil, so I got the Palmer's cocoa butter oil. I got Listerine strips because although we have the disposable toothbrushes, you still want to make sure your breath stay fresh. Let's see what else I got. I got a steamer that is also a iron because they don't allow irons, but they do allow steamers. So I was like, steamer. So I got a steamer, and I will be steaming our clothes. And then I got facial cleansers because I'm not bringing my facial cleanser stuff on that boat. My stuff is expensive. I'm not doing that. So I got these Olay. I think that's how you pronounce it. Olay wash melts. You just melt them, and they supposed to just be able to. They have the stuff already in it, so it cleanses your face. So that's good. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got, guys. I mean, I don't feel like it's excessive. I really feel like we're going to be prepared. So I'd rather be prepared than to not be prepared at all, and then we're on a big boat trying to figure it out. Like I said, I do need to order another atomizer for his cologne, and I'll probably order another liquid IV just because I plan on staying as hydrated as possible on this boat. So I will definitely be making sure that I keep those on deck. And we got a lot of stuff sugar free just because I am a diabetic, so a lot of things have to be sugar free. So well, I'm not a diabetic anymore. I am pre-diabetic, on my way to be free of diabetes, period. So yeah, I am gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this travel haul. If you think that I missed something and maybe I should have took it on the trip, leave it in the description below, and I will see it, and I will make sure if it's something that makes sense that I will grab it on the next trip. Remember to think smart, spend smarter, and have fun planning it all out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.